I got these Puma Cali Wedge sneakers. And first of all, I got these shoes because they are so stinking cute. I love them so much. But secondly, they're actually very comfortable. They have a nice heel with a lot of support. And they just kind of feel like you're floating on a cloud. They're very comfortable. I was surprised by that. I got them for their looks, so that was definitely a plus. You can be on your feet all day, which I am on my feet all day. And these are very comfortable shoes. I got them in white. They come in a variety of colors. I'm definitely going to get a second pair because I love them that much. But I think white is always just like a great basic shoe and can match with everything. So I love having a nice set of white pair of sneakers. I did see online people said they were true to size, but for me personally, I had to size up a little bit. I'm normally a 7.5. I only went slightly bigger. I got an 8 and the 8 fit me perfectly. So you may need to size up just a half size, nothing major, but you may need to size up. I did. But all in all, just like a really cute, comfortable shoe. You can see the wedge. And the Puma logo, and then it has it there on the side as well. Just a really nice, high quality pair of sneakers for your day-to-day use.